Hello, today we will discuss about electricity. Here is the two term electricity and electrostatics. What is the basic difference between electricity and electrostatics? So first we will discuss about electrostatics. Electrostatics means charge at rest position. Charge at rest. And what is the meaning of electricity? Charge in motion. Charge in motion. When charge in at rest position, when charge at rest position, it have only one field, that is electric field. That is electric field. And when charge in motion, when charge in motion, it have both field, that is electric field or magnetic field. When charge in motion, it have both field, electric field or magnetic field. And when charge at rest, then it have only electric field. When charge flow, that means charge in motion. Charge in motion. When charge flow from A point to B point, that means it is electric current. Flow of charge is called electric current. If we will discuss about the definition of electric current, then that is time rate of flow of electric charge. Electric charge is called electric current. Is called electric current. Now, what is the SI unit of electric current? The SI unit of electric current is ampere. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. And the current is measured by the ammeter. The instrument which measures the electric current is called ammeter. Now we will discuss about conductor or insulator. The materials in which electric current flow from one point to another point is called conductor. And in the materials in which electric current does not flow from one point to another point is called insulator. What is conductor? In which charge flow or current flow from one point to another point is called conductor. And when charge does not flow from one point to another point is called insulator. Now we will define the formula of electric current. What will be the formula of electric current? As we know that electric current is the time rate flow of electric charge is called electric current. So electric current equals to, then it will becomes electric current equals to flow of electric charge over time taken. Here electric current is denoted by capital I, and it will becomes I equals to Q by T. Here Q is the electric charge and T is the time. Now we will discuss about 1 ampere. What is ampere? Ampere is the SI unit of electric current. Now we will define 1 ampere. 1 ampere equals to 1 coulomb over 1 second, and it can be written as 1 ampere equals to 1 coulomb per second. That is the 1 ampere. Now we will define 1 ampere. What is 1 ampere? When 1 coulomb of charge flow in 1 second is called 1 ampere current. The current in which 1 coulomb charge flow in 1 second is called 1 ampere. Now we will discuss about the dimensional formula of electric current. Dimensional formula. As we know, electric current is a basic quantity. The basic quantity or fundamental quantity. So dimensional formula of electric current is A. The dimensional formula of electric current is A. Now we will discuss about what is electric current. Electric current is a scalar quantity or electric current is a basic quantity. Electric current is a scalar quantity या फिर electric current is a vector quantity. तो Answer is electric current is a scalar quantity. Why? Now question arises that why electric current is scalar quantity? Because it does not follow the law of addition. It does not follow vector law of addition. So electric current is scalar quantity. Thank you.